make a big impact in insurance, you know. And another use case I just want to share to get people's brains around how crypto fits into this, because I will always say it, I believe the future is micropayments and microservices, and crypto is really what's going to unlock the value exchange amongst these different networks. And a car, this is what I've seen in some of these proof of concepts working within this consortia, becomes a node, right? And the car has a wallet in it. And that wallet may not be the same type of wallet that you can exchange for USD, but it has a store of value that's specific to the economy pinned to that car. Like, let's just say the emissions tax. Every time I drive my car, and let's say I have a Prius and Wyatt has a Hummer, and we're driving in the same city right now, we both pay the same emissions tax, right? But if we were using blockchain and some of these microservices, you would be able to know that, like, hey, he's having a bigger impact because he's driving this much. He's driving more. He has a car that has, worse emissions ratings and so forth, right? And so what if I did things that demonstrably offset emissions, like recycling or planting trees, something that they can measure that actually was tied to the environment and how cars impact it? I could start to store value if I'm not driving or whatever. And that sounds fine and all, but like, what if I'm going to work and I'm late one day and I need to get to work faster, and we're working in somewhat of an autonomous network of cars? I can stake value from my car, and other cars will get out of the way so that I have the right of way, absorbing the crypto machine to machine. And while this sounds like science fiction, you can look it up, and I've seen these test courses in DC where they have physical cars doing it. Albeit they're moving rather slow, they're exchanging crypto for right of way based off of the rules that they're setting on behalf of the driver. So these standards really bring forth the fabric between isolated, siloed data sets that don't trust each other. Just to add on to what you're saying there.